Hello everyone, myself Somdev Dotto. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering, Mallabhum Institute of Technology, Bishnupur. Today I am going to present a PPT on nuclear power station. A nuclear power plant, often abbreviated as NPP, is a source of electrical power generation which uses nuclear reactor as a heat source to convert water into steam, which in turn drives the turbine. The turbine rotates and thus it produces mechanical excitation to the alternator, whose output is the electrical energy. One of the advantage of NPP is its pollution free and renders green energy. The main component of the NPP is the reactor. It is of two types. One, boiling water reactor, and number two, pressurized water reactor. Now let's talk about the reactor core. The reactor core comprises control rod, moderator, fuel rod and coolant. The heat exchanger is situated on the outer part. The reactor is shielded with a biological shield so that no radioactive element leaks out, as it is hazardous to human health. Now, control rods are used in nuclear reactor to control the fission rate of uranium or plutonium. Control rods are made up of boron, cadmium or silver. Control rods are capable of absorbing neutrons without themselves fissioning. Now, moderator reduces the speed of fast neutron. Light water, solid graphite, heavy water are the most commonly used moderator. Let's now throw some light on pressurized water reactor and boiling water reactor. First, let us explain pressurized water reactor. The reactor core produces heat by fission. The heat is carried to the heat exchanger by the liquid sodium, molten salt or light water. In the heat exchanger, cold water exchanges the heat and is converted into steam, which drives the turbine. The coolant extraction pump extracts the water, liquid sodium or molten salt which has lost its heat into the reactor core, which is further heated again and circulated through the heat exchanger. Next is the boiling water reactor. In boiling water reactor, the reactor vessel creates heat. The steam water mixture produced moves upward through core, absorbing heat. Here, moisture is separated out and dry steam is allowed to enter streamline, which drives the turbine. After driving the turbine, in both cases, that is pressurized water reactor and boiling water reactor, the exhaust steam enters the condenser, which condenses the wet steam into water in the heat exchanger unit. The cold water, which absorbs the heat of the wet steam, is cooled down in the cooling tower and again circulated through the condenser via the circulating pump, whereas the condensed extraction pump extracts the water from the condenser and enters it into the heat exchanger, where it again gains heat and converted into steam. The makeup water is fed by the feed pump. So this was a short overview of a nuclear power plant. Thank you.